In this video, I'll show you how to zoom in on a web page in Microsoft Edge so you can make text larger and see details more clearly. Start by opening Microsoft Edge and visiting the page you want to zoom in on. The fastest way to zoom in is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and the plus key together. On Mac, press Command and the plus key. Each time you press it, the page zoom increases in steps, making everything on the screen larger instantly. If you're using a mouse on Windows, you can hold down the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel upward. This lets you smoothly increase the zoom level with more control. On a laptop with a touchpad, place two fingers on the touchpad and move them apart in a pinch-out gesture to zoom in, similar to how you zoom on a smartphone. You can also use the on-screen menu. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Edge to open the menu. Look for the Zoom section, where you'll see a percentage number and a plus button. Click the plus button to increase the zoom level step by step. Zooming only affects how the current page appears in your browser. It doesn't change your system display settings. If you zoom in too far, simply use the minus key shortcut or the zoom controls to adjust it back. That's it. Use keyboard shortcuts, your mouse wheel, touchpad gestures, or the menu to zoom in quickly in Microsoft Edge.